Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add Klarna to Stripe. To begin, log into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are signed in, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. After opening the settings page, scroll down until you find the payments section. When you see it, click on it to open the payment settings for your Stripe account. Next, look at the menu near the top of the page and find the option called Payment Methods. Click on Payment Methods to view all available payment options that can be enabled in your Stripe account. Now scroll down through the list of payment methods until you find Klarna. If the list is long, you can also use the search feature to quickly locate it. Once you find Klarna, click on it. A panel will appear on the right side of the screen. In that panel, look for the button labeled Enable and click it. After enabling Klarna, Stripe will add it to your available payment methods. Eligible customers will now be able to select Klarna during checkout when placing an order. If you manage payments manually through your own integration, there is one additional step. You must include Klarna in the payment method types array when creating a checkout session or a payment intent. This allows Stripe to offer Klarna as a payment option through your custom implementation. Also keep in mind that the transaction currency must match the requirements for your business location. In addition, Klarna must be available and supported in your region for the payment method to work correctly. That is how you add Klarna to Stripe. Thanks for watching.